Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the KabelDirekt 8K 4K HDMI Cable 2.1, a premium cable designed to bring the best of modern video and audio technology right to your home theater or gaming setup. This German-engineered marvel isn't just any HDMI cable. It's built to handle ultra-high-definition displays and state-of-the-art audio, making it a must-have for anyone who wants peak performance. Starting with its standout features, the KabelDirekt HDMI cable is engineered to exceed existing HDMI specifications. It supports an impressive range of resolutions including 10K at 60 Hz, 8K at 60 Hz, and 4K at 120 Hz. Beyond picture clarity, it also supports HDR, 7.1 surround sound, eARC, and Ethernet connectivity, making it exceptionally versatile for both home entertainment systems and professional AV setups. What also sets this cable apart is the robust, German-engineered multi-layer shielding system inside the HDMI connector. This advanced design utilizes gold-plated, break-proof connectors along with high-purity copper conductors. The result is a stable, interference-free signal transmission that users have reported is both reliable and durable even under demanding conditions. Whether you're setting up a new gaming console like the PS5, an Xbox, or integrating it into your workstations or streaming devices, the KabelDirekt cable ensures that every bit of data is transmitted with precision. In real-life testing, the KabelDirekt cable performed exceptionally well. Users noted its ability to handle heavy data loads during intensive gaming sessions and movie nights, delivering crisp images and immersive sound without a hitch. Furthermore, its availability in multiple lengths, ranging from a mere 0.5 feet to a generous 75 feet, makes it extremely adaptable. This flexibility helps cater to varied environments, from compact home setups to expansive professional studios. That said, a few potential drawbacks include the premium pricing, which might put off budget-conscious users. Additionally, while the cable is built for performance, it remains essential to pair it with other high-quality equipment to truly maximize its potential. Compared to similar products on the market, the KabelDirekt HDMI cable stands out thanks to its rigorous manufacturing standards and extensive warranty. The 36-month manufacturer's warranty underpins the confidence in its build quality. For those seeking to get the most out of the product, pairing the cable with high-end displays and sound systems, and ensuring that all connected devices support the latest HDMI specifications is key. Overall, the KabelDirekt HDMI cable is highly recommended for gamers, home theater enthusiasts, and professionals alike. If you're looking for an HDMI cable that meets today's high-performance demands and future-proofs your setup, this cable is a formidable option.